Okay. Okay, very nice. So I am so happy to see all the guests and all the kids. You all
Ma'am,
are so cleanly dressed and sitting so properly, wearing your aprons, wearing that chef caps and everything. So are you all excited? Excited ho?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So for these 10 days we were working for ourselves. ये 10 दिन हमने खुद के लिए काम किया है. ये 10 दिन हमने सब कुछ सीख लिया है. Now we have to show it to others also. So we are going to show it to our sister, dadi, papa, friend, mama. So yes, you all are ready and excited.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So I will quickly stop this screen, yes, so that I can see you all, and I will quickly explain you what needs to be done. So the first thing is the one who is being going to be the supporting actors here. So first thing is that the kids are going to tell us from the menu card one by one. They can tell us from the menu card what they are going to make and serve to the customers, to the guest. So those screens, jinke screen aaj video call, the screen is on. So you can just, I will call one by one. You have to unmute yourself and you have to tell me that आज आप क्या prepare करने वाले हो हमारे customer के लिए. Okay, great. All right. So we start from Ishan. Ishan, what are you going to make today? From the menu card, what are you planning to make today?
The nine recipes, Ishan's kitchen, name of the dish. First is lemon juice, second is sandwich, fifth is sprout chaat.
Okay. So you are going to make lemon juice, you are going to make sandwich, and you are going to make sprouts chaat. Wow, that's so nice. So you are going to give the
Ma'am,
customer
मेरी guest है.
yes. अच्छा, okay. कौन है guest आपके साथ?
दीदी and मौसी.
दीदी and मौसी. Okay, so आप healthy खाना देने वाले हो. No dessert, nothing. That's good.
Yes, ma'am.
That's nice. Good. Thumbs up. Yes, Amitoj, what is going to be your thing from the menu? What are you going to make from the menu?
Open करता हूँ.
I'm making beetroot crush, salad, and Swiss roll. Three things. And chocolate. You want to make chocolate ball? Okay, chocolate ball.
Okay. So chef has decided to change the menu. That works, but yes, the Swiss roll and chocolate ball goes hand in hand, so it's fine. So yes, very nice. So Amitoj is also going to make 3 things. Okay, Manas. Yes, Manas.
Ma'am, sandwich and beetroot juice.
Sandwich and beetroot
Chocolate
juice.
balls.
Very good. Yes, and
Chocolate balls.
chocolate ball. Very nice. And who is going to be your guest? आपका guest कौन
And
है?
my brother, Ritvik.
Oh, Ritvik is going to be the guest. Very nice. And I can see पीछे background में that your table is all ready and set. So that's very good to know. Yes, Arjun. Unmute बच्चे. हाँ.
मैम सैंडविच मोजितो और चॉकलेट रोल बनाऊंगा बस और कुछ नहीं.
Very nice. Sandwich, mojito, and chocolate ball. I can see all my kids are going to make 3 dishes at least. That's so good to see their energy. And Arjun, who is going to be your guest?
दादी and sister.
Okay, the Daji and sister. Very nice. Good. Big thumbs up. Yes, Omkar. Omkar. So what is going to be your menu and...
Ma'am?
Okay, Omkar, sorry. Omkar was not...
Omkar.
Yes, sorry. Yes, Manisha. Manisha. It is saved from the mother's name and I'm not able to... Yes, Manisha Patil. What the child is going to make today? Okay, let's wait. Yes, Suyash. So Suyash, are you ready? What are you going to make?
मैम वो कुछ खा रहा है एक 5 मिनट दे दीजिए.
No problem, ma'am. No problem. Yes, Akshat, are you ready? Akshat is there. I can see Akshat in the kitchen already. Okay. Pooja, are you ready? Yes, Pooja. All right. Okay. Oni, Arya, Nimisha Arya.
मैम ओनी सॉरी वो मदर्स नेम से आया है
Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, so we have got lots of chefs today, and I guess looking at the time, we can for sure start. So yes, your first step is going to be, yes, Akshat. I was calling for you, Akshat. Hi. What are you going to make today? Yes. You can unmute and tell me what are you going to make today. Akshat is in different vacational mood altogether. Yes, Akshat. Akshat, you need to unmute to answer. Unmute and answer. Okay, I can also see Soumitra's video on, and I can see that they are outside somewhere. So that means the cooking is going to happen outside. Wow, that's something interesting. And Omkar is also on screen. So yes, those who have told me the menu, you can start cooking. Time लगेगा ना ये चीजें बनाने के लिए. So start cooking for your guest. Start cooking for your guests, those who have told me the menu. Yes, Omkar, what are you going to make? Okay, I can see Master Chef logo on his cap. Yes. Hello. So what is Omkar going to make? Yes, the chefs can start cooking. Yes, Arjun, hello, I can see you cutting. Ma'am. Yes. Hello, ma'am.
Omkar is going to make sandwich, orange juice, and American salad.
Very nice. And Omkar, your guest is going to be your sister. Okay.
Sister and father.
Sister and father. Very nice. The kids are so so much of confidence and all that they have got two guests and two customers. Yes, Ishan, start cooking. Chalo, chalo. Yes, hello.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, Akshat is going to make lemongrass tea.
Sorry, he's on mute again. Yeah.
Okay. He is going to make lemongrass tea with sandwiches and fruit salad.
Wow, that's so nice, Akshat. And who is going to be your guest today?
His brother, elder brother.
Avyansh. Okay, so Avyansh is there as a guest. So finally, we could see him on day 10. So yeah, I have been referring Akshat as Avyansh. So yes, okay. So all the best, chef. Start cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम जैसे मैम ओनी मैगी बना लेते तो मैगी बनवा ले मैम इनसे
चलेगा मैम. It's totally up to them what they want to feed to the customers, the guests today. Yes, Soumitra. I can see.
Ma'am, it's garden restaurant.
Okay. So what is he going to make with a roof? Okay.
American salad, mojito, and Swiss roll.
Wow, American salad, mojito, and Swiss roll. Great.
Mojito with sabja bee in it.
Okay, great. Yes, great. So yes, kids, start cooking. Get excited, start cooking. Do let me know, beach mein parents, do update me with what the kids are doing. Make sure that they are maintaining the cleanliness. Yes. I can see the smiling faces, all the kids smiling and doing. So yes, ये चीज ध्यान में रखनी है. When we are serving it to the customers, we have to smile. हमें कोई सर्व करने आता है तो कैसे स्माइल करता है? So we also have to serve it with a smile. Yes, for the customers, kindly keep talking to our chefs, keep them motivated, what they are doing, what is happening. Very nice, Ishan. Good. Good, good. Keep on doing it. Wow, Manas, I can see a lot of mayonnaise going there. Good. Good, good. Okay, even the sauce. So tempting. Yes, Sai, you can start cooking. Subair is there. Very nice. Wow. I really feel Ritvik is going to have a lot of fun eating that sandwich, Manas.
देखिए अभी सुयश बताएगा क्या क्या बनाया है.
Yes, Suyash.
उठो सुयश, बता सुहान तू.
सुयश ये क्या है?
एक सुयश बताओ टीचर को ये क्या है? कुकीज.
Cookies, okay.
बाखरवड़ी.
Oh,
बाखरवड़ी.
okay. What else?
सोन पापड़ी.
Oh, सोन पापड़ी.
बोलो जूस.
और ये क्या है? चॉकलेट.
Wow, I can really see Suyash brother helping it so nicely.
हाँ, फ्रूट चाट.
कौन
चाट.
हाँ बताओ, टीचर को बताओ कौन चाट.
Corn chaat. Very nice, Suyash. And Suyash younger brother. Very nice, Arjun. Arjun, that sandwich looks so yummy. That's good. Good. I saw you cutting all the vegetables, cutting the sides of the sandwich. Very nice. Very nice. Very good, Ishan. Your sandwich is ready. I can see your sandwich is ready. Parents, the whole point is to make the kids independent, working them, letting them work in the kitchen. So please make sure that they are doing it. Don't give them the ready-made food. Let them do. Oh, very nice. Oh, Akshat. Akshat is, I can see Akshat is cutting fruits. Good, good. And I can see Akshat's customer sitting with him while he's cutting the fruits. That's so nice. Okay. Yes, Suyash. Okay, welcome to Suyash's kitchen. Master Chef. Very nice. Okay, I can see Amitoj. Okay, there is something on Amitoj's table. I can see red glass. Okay. Wow, what is that? Okay, the beetroot crush is ready. Wow. So Amitosh, now the next step is going to be for you. What are you going to do? You are going to let the customers, you are going to let your papa and your dadi taste it, and you are going to ask them very politely. बहुत प्यार से आपने पूछना है कि कैसे बना है.
प्यार से पूछो कैसा लगा. पूछो प्यार से कैसा लगा आपको. ऐसे खड़े होके अमिताभ कैसा लगा आपको.
वेरी गुड. अच्छे से पूछो. अच्छा लगा.
वेरी नाइस. वेरी नाइस.
वेरी नाइस.
Very nice. Very good.
चलो
Okay.
लेट्स गो एंड मेक सैलेड नाउ.
Hi Aishwarya. Baby. Okay.
दूसरा डिश बनाए.
Yes, बनाओ. आपका कस्टमर आपको जो बोल रहा है आपको बनाना है और सर्व करना है. So बनाओ और सर्व करो और फीडबैक भी लेना है. उनको पूछना भी है उनको अच्छा लगा नहीं लगा, क्या ज्यादा पसंद आया है. Yes ऐश्वर्या.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या बना रहे हो आज?
Mojito और fish rice. Juice roll.
Okay. और आपका गेस्ट कौन है?
Aisha.
गेस्ट कौन है? गेस्ट. ओके. चलो देन कुकिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं.
ठीक है.
मैम.
ओके. वेरी नाइस.
Orange juice is ready now.
Yes ma'am.
Orange juice is ready to serve the
Orange
customer.
juice is ready.
Come here, Tanvi. And he is
Yes.
going to her sister. Omkar is giving
Sister.
to
Very nice.
and Papa. One more glass, Omkar. To give it to Papa.
Thank you.
Hey.
And it's 20 rupees.
Omkar, you have to make your customers sit and eat. हम खड़े होके खाना नहीं खाते ना. So
Okay,
you make
ma'am.
the customers sit and eat. Yes.
Sit down. Sit. Yes. Sit down.
मैम इसका
Very nice.
आकांक्षा मैम. He's got sandwiches with fruit salad.
Yes ma'am.
A sandwich and fruit salad is ready for.
Oh wow, the fruit salad is ready. Akshat. Wow, it's already ready for the customer. It looks so colorful and nice. Yes. So serve करो अक्षत प्यार से.
खुद नहीं खाना भैया को खिलाना है. चाय बनाओ. चलो चाय. अब चाय बनाओ. चाय. चलो चाय क्या हम बनाओगे इलेक्ट्रिक में. मैम चाय इलेक्ट्रिक केटल में बना रहा है.
ओके.
हाँ जी. आ जाओ.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
सेक्टर 15.
Hello, ma'am. Say hi. Ma'am, good evening. Say hi.
Wow, I can see so much on everyone's plate, everyone's dining table.
Ma'am,
Our beetroot is ready. Beetroot drink is ready and
कस्टमर. मैम ओनी का पास्ता तैयार हो गया.
Ma'am, this is Ishan's restaurant. He arranged a buffet.
okay, so
अभी नहीं ये कस्टमर है ना. सिस्टर आपकी कस्टमर है. मैम ओनी ने पास्ता बनाया है.
मैम सुबीर का देखिए. Ma'am, Ishan is arranged the buffet. He is offering a orange drink. Then he is offering a salad. Show your salad. And then he is offering a sweet dish as a Swiss roll. आवाज जातो ना म्यूट का अनम्यूट करतात रे एक संतुला मी देते
Wow. Okay, so I can see Manas beetroot juice is also ready. Red and red.
Ma'am, can you see Ishan?
Coffee, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you see Ishan?
Yes, I can see Ishan. I can see yes.
He's offering a soft drink. He's offering a salad. And he's offering a Swiss roll.
Okay, wow, that's one. So
and
nice.
Yes.
Yes.
Brother as a customer.
Okay, that's even more wonderful. Very nice.
Nancy.
I can see, yes, I can see Aishwarya's screen. I can see Sai has made
got salad, ma'am.
Amitosh salad is ready. Amitosh बड़े प्यार से सर्व करना है बेबी
बहुत
प्यार
अच्छे
से
से
सर्व
Thank you.
Yes.
To your papa now. Come here. Be careful. नहीं गिरेगा. Be careful. Okay, okay. Keep it. Now you can serve it.
Yes. प्यार से सर्व करना है. Oh, Aishwarya has got balloons.
Nancy.
Oh God. Oh, menu Aishwarya's cafe. And I can see, I guess there are twin sisters there. As a guest. Very nice.
Ma'am.
And Amitosh is so happy
Nancy.
serving the salad. I can see your Subair, wow, wonderful. Subair, what have you made? Very nice. The sandwich is ready with a smiley. Beautiful, beautiful. Ishan, yes, I can see the mojito is ready. Beautiful. Yes,
Thank you,
Arjun,
ma'am.
the juice is ready. Very nice. Okay, I can see Omkar. Omkar, you have got two guests. Your papa is there. And your sister is there. And yes, they're enjoying it. Very
Yes, ma'am.
nice.
And they are eating sandwich and juice.
Very nice sandwich and juice. Very good. Okay, so
Ma'am,
yes.
he's serving the Swiss roll as well. Swiss roll. Can you hear me?
Give it to Didi.
Pause झालं बहुतेक.
Very nice. Okay, now I can see chef himself sitting on the table. Amitosh is sitting on the table.
Amitosh is making the bill now, ma'am. He has
Okay,
served
okay.
everything.
Okay, now he's going to make the bill. Okay. Yes, very nice. Amitosh, so मेन्यू कार्ड के हिसाब से बिल बनाना है. जितने पैसे हमने मेन्यू कार्ड में लिखे थे और उतने ही पैसे हमारे कस्टमर से आप लोगे. Very nice. So good to see. Subair, I saw your sandwich with a smiley. That's so nice. Ishan, you're doing the salad. Good. Good. Akshat is ready with the juice and प्लेट में क्या है अक्षत?
ग्रास टी.
Okay, sorry. Yes, lemongrass tea. And Akshat, plate thoda sa niche lo bacha so that I can see. Okay, that's fruit, custard fruit. Okay. Yes. All right. So Akshat's brother is going to have a very healthy meal now. Green so lemongrass tea and cut fruits and everything.
Yeah.
Very nice.
पैसे लो भैया से. पहले बताओ कितने का है, कितने पैसे ले, कितने पैसे लोगे?
अक्षत मेन्यू कार्ड से देख के पैसे लेने हैं.
मेन्यू कार्ड से देखो, बताओ. हाँ 50 प्लस 20. हाँ कितना हुआ? 120. 120 प्लस सैलेड का 30. 100. बोलो 200. हाँ कितना हुआ? 120 प्लस 200. 120 प्लस 200. टोटल कॉस्ट
रेडी हो गया.
0. 2 प्लस 0 2. हाँ 2 प्लस 1 2 प्लस 1 3. टोटल कॉस्ट 320. ले लो.
Wow.
320.
Very nice. But Akshat, he has given you 500 rupees now. उसका तो छुट्टा देना पड़ेगा भैया को.
दे दो. मैम टिप ही सेंटिप मिल गया. थैंक यू भैया. बताओ कैसे बना?
So nice. Good, so good to see.
उनके लिए क्या बनाओगे? और बनाए? मैम खुद ही खाने लग गए.
It's so good to see. I'm looking at all the kids doing it. I feel like coming there and sitting with them.
Ishan's brother is paying for what he ate.
Very nice.
Amitosh has also started eating.
I can see that. अमितोष पैसे मिले पर कस्टमर से?
नहीं, अभी बिल दे दिया मैम.
बिल दे दिया है.
900 रुपए का बिल दे दिया है.
वाह.
और कुछ खा रहे हैं.
Yes, ईशान, I can see ईशान को भी लॉटरी लगी है. Very nice.
बोलो मैम आप भी आइए, हम खा रहे. बोलो
एक ऑरेंज जूस मेनू कार्ड पक्का बिट्टू వచ్చి.
Very good.
డ్రింక్ యువర్ ఆరెంజెస్.
Yes.
ఇంకా నీ దగ్గర ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో చెప్పు.
Very nice, Sai.
His sister, ma'am.
हाँ, sister. Very good. Very nice. Good.
And a coffee and lemon juice also he prepare, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. But sister, coffee और lemon juice दोनों एक साथ please नहीं पीना.
नहीं ma'am.
Good. Omkar is so much engrossed with it. Aishwarya is cooking something on the gas. Subair is there. Manas. Wow. So happy for these kids.
मैम यहाँ कस्टमर को खिला के खुद भी खा लिया गया है.
आर्या वेरी गुड. खुद का तो पेट भरना ही चाहिए, जरूरी है. वेरी नाइस. इतना मेहनत किए हैं बच्चे. गुड. I am really loving their spirits and their energy to do things. Yes, Aishwarya, I can see you cooking, bacha. Doing a great job. Good, Suyash. I am liking how Akshat is trying to interact and keep the customer busy. बातचीत हो रही है, कुछ discussion is going on.
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Arjun. Arjun is ready with the tray. Yes, so चलो दे दो customer को जल्दी से.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Pooja Lakshmi make lemon juice and vegetable salad, ma'am.
Wow, Pooja.
Sister.
Oh, for her sister. Very nice. Pooja, so yes, Pooja, give it to your sister.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sister,
Wow, very nice. Okay, so Arjun is finally serving it to the customer, and the customers are very happy. Okay, Ishan is all ready. Ishan, सब बना दिया, ready हो गए? Parents, don't forget to click photographs of the dishes that they have prepared and everything. Don't forget to do that. Manas is really engrossed with the cooking and I'm liking it. Very nice, Ishan. Good, Arjun. Good, Aishwarya. Yes, Suyash is with his customer, enjoying and eating. Good. Very nice, Omkar. But यहाँ पे हमारा काम खत्म नहीं होता है. We know that, right? It is not just making food and serving food. Yes.
100 rupees.
Subair. Okay, so Subair has earned 100 rupees today. Wow. Very
Very
nice.
costly sandwich.
Very nice. Very good. So yes, kids, यहाँ पे काम खत्म नहीं होता. It is not just about making food and serving it. It is also about cleaning. जो कुछ आपने बनाया है उसको बाद में clean करके रखना है. The plate needs to be cleaned. The table needs to be cleaned. So that ये चीजें भी हमने खुद से करनी है. Yes. It is not just having food. Okay, I can see Somitra in garden. And the customer is ready. Okay, the customer is there. Yes. So what has he made?
Ma'am, he has made American salad.
Wow.
And Swiss roll.
Swiss roll.
And here is his customer.
Here is his customer. The customer. So sweet.
उसकी दादी है.
Dadi. Okay. Nani. Okay. So nice.
Ma'am, lovely garden they have. Lovely.
Yes, yes. And cooking in outskirts because it was a fire race thing. So that's also a very good thing to do. They can sit anywhere and cook.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this session today.
I'm so happy and glad to see all the family members also.
Yeah.
Yes, Sai, wow. Yes, cleaning part is equally important. Cleaning bhi karna hai. It is not just cooking.
Sector 15.
अभी नहीं, अभी तो कुछ बता. बस 5 मिनट और है. 5 मिनट. तू नहाएगा कि क्या? हो गई तेरा पेंटिंग?
मैंने मैगी बनाया.
ओके, ऐश्वर्या ने मैगी बनाया है. वाओ, गुड.
मैम सब लोग आ रहे हैं खाने मैगी.
हाँ, मैं तो सब बच्चों के घर पे जाने वाली हूँ अभी. I'm going to have American salad. I'm going to have Maggie and Swiss roll and mojito. Okay, Manas.
हमारे गेस्ट चेंज हो गए. पापा आ गए.
पापा.
Serving now.
Finally, Papa is going to have something today.
Yes. That day he couldn't have, so now he can.
That's so nice. Okay, yes.
Kansha ma'am, today the participation is less. Few children are there, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The video का भी ये हो जाता है. Different appointments they have.
Right.
So,
but it was very exciting to see all making and ऐसे सेशंस और होने चाहिए बच्चों को encourage करने के लिए.
जरूर मैम. We are just waiting for this session to come to an end because we already have an announcement for the next camp, which we are starting from Monday. So we'll just wait for everything to be done so that we can tell that.
Yeah.
Okay. मम्मी तो table clean कर दिया? Can see a thumbs up. Table is clean.
मैम टेगा क्लीन हो गया.
नहीं ये
बिल हो गया.
प्लेट्स पड़ी हुई हैं, जाओ.
Very nice. Good.
गेस्ट कैसा बना है अर्जुन का?
बहुत अच्छा.
आप भी बताइए.
Guests are enjoying it. Arjun
वेट कर रहा है. बिल लेके वेट कर रहा है अर्जुन.
Oh, okay. Okay, I can see there is one more guest with Sai also. Sai के पापा भी है. So nice to see that. Yes, Pooja. Hi.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Very nice. Very nice. We also have to make bill for them.
खाना पड़ेगा.
Very nice.
Thank you for that.
Thank you, Pooja. Thank you. Yes, we have to make bill. And we have to make sure that we are cleaning the table. We are cleaning everything where we serve them. We are cleaning.
That is having only one customer.
Ishan, I am your customer.
So please come. Welcome, ma'am.
Ishan, jaldi se mujhe photo bhejo.
At night.
Quickly send me photos. I am everyone's customer. So सबने मुझे फोटो भेजने हैं. मैं ऑनलाइन ही खाना खाने वाली हूँ.
Already sent. Thanks for arranging such a nice program.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for the session, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Pooja very happy, ma'am.
Pooja very happy.
Simple dish, making simple dish, but very happy.
Okay, that's so good to see.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's so good to see. Okay, so while the customers are sitting, so I just thought that क्यों ना customers को थोड़ा entertain करे. So on the screen, I have few photographs of whatever that we did throughout. So मेरे पास कुछ photos है. So we are going to show it to the customers that how the kids have been doing throughout. It's been 10 days. Already 10 days are over. So there are few photos that I have and I'm going to quickly share. I'm going to show it to the customers and the kids. So let's see what is there. Oh, our chefs. So the first photo is of our few chefs here. There is Ishan, there is Binyamin, then there is Arjun, Omkar is there. Yes, so these are our chefs. And I was very happy that day जब इन्होंने इतना अच्छे से heart shape में salad and Swiss roll and welcome drink बनाया है. So yes. Now going to next, we have another kids who involved a lot with the first aid. जब हमने first aid का session किया था, so these students, they did a great job of doing the first aid, making the first aid kit, and they were so happy doing that. And nothing is possible, nothing was rather possible without the support system. So here are few beautiful and wonderful images which we could capture of the parents, especially the mothers who were there throughout. So I can see Avigyan with his mother, Manas with his mother, Suyash, Tanush, Omkar with their mothers, and the mothers did a wonderful job throughout these 10 days. There is also Pranjali, Somitra, Arjun, and Aryan, Omkar. So nothing would have been possible without the parents' support, without the family support, be it the first aid, be it the cooking, be it money management, the laundry part. So all the kids did a very wonderful job and we are so happy. I myself, Akanksha, Shivani ma'am, Harshali ma'am, we all are so happy to see the kids doing such a wonderful job in these 10 days. I can proudly say that to certain extent they have become independent. They can carry out their own things. They can do some certain tasks, and if they are hungry they can make food for themselves now sitting at home. So yes, so it's so good to see, and photos are most welcome. The WhatsApp group is for such, so we are not closing that WhatsApp group, and we are just waiting for the customers to finish their food so that quickly we will announce something very exciting coming up. Yes, so if your customers are sitting, you can entertain them. मैंने कल ही बताया था, you can entertain them.
We are collecting money from customer now.
Okay. Customer in a way did a kind of investment. Yes. First getting the ingredients and eating it and then paying for the same. Yes. So nice. So yes, if your customers are still sitting there, you can entertain them. मैम ने कल ही बताया था.
बोलो मौसी को छाप लिए.
आप entertain कर सकते हो उनको. Singing, dancing, poetry, anything that you like. Tanishka, what have you made, baby?
400. Thank you.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, Ishan. Okay. So
I made sandwich, American salad, and chocolate ball.
Okay. So bill, date, guest ka naam, welcome drink, sandwich, sprout. Okay. Discount for special customer. 20% discount. This is so nice. Just wait, Ishan, for a moment. Okay. Wonderful. Yes, Aishwarya. Baby, you have got 400 rupees?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. This is so nice. Okay. I can see something background में कुछ तो चल रहा है.
हम लोग कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं मनी कितना.
बैकग्राउंड में कुछ आवाज सुनाई दे रही है, कुछ एंटरटेनमेंट कुछ चल रहा है. Sai has collected money. Wow. Good. Ishan, do send me that bill ka photo. I have taken the photo of it, but do send me the photograph of the bill. This is so wonderful. Oh, so Arjun is entertaining the customer by dancing. That's so nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. So nice. So yes, सब लोगों ने सब कुछ सर्व किया है. You have given the bills to the customer and collected the exact money. Okay, I can see money in Manas and yes.
60 rupees कम आए.
क्या हो गया?
60 rupees कम आए.
वाह क्या बात है.
ना गाँव का सबका एंटरटेन करना है.
Wow.
शिवानी दीदी.
Okay, yes, Ishan.
178 rupees, ma'am.
मैम मैं गाना गाऊंगा, सबका एंटरटेन करूंगा.
ओ गाना गा के सबको एंटरटेन करने वाले सब कस्टमर्स को. ईशान, एवरीवन कस्टमर. चलो
यस मैम.
चलो स्टार्ट.
तुम्हारा
स्टार्ट. थोड़ा सा थोड़े से आवाज थोड़ा सा बढ़ना चाहिए. 1 2 3 4 करके स्टार्ट हो जाओ.
1 2 3 स्टार्ट. मेरे सनम मेरे महबूब क़यामत होगी आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों पे मोहब्बत होगी. मेरी नज़रें तो गिला करती है तेरे दिल को भी सनम तुझसे शिकायत होगी. मेरे महबूब तेरी गली में आता सनम नगमा वफा का गाता सनम तुझसे सुनाना जाता सनम फिर आज दर आया हूँ मगर ये कहने मेरी मावाना खत्म बस आज वहशत होगी आज रुसवा तेरी गलियों में मोहब्बत होगी.
Very nice, beautiful.
Wow.
Customers, yes.
All right.
Clap, clap.
Ishan, you are an amazing singer. Wow.
Thank you, ma'am.
इतने सुर में गाया है आपने. Superb. Very, very well done.
Thank you,
Ishan.
ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. And hello to everybody, all the parents, all the kids. Oh my goodness. What am I seeing here? I just came. मैंने अभी join किया है कॉल को और मैं देख रही हूँ शेफ हैट्स ओमकार एंड ईशान एंड इतना बढ़िया टेबल सेटिंग किया मानस ने. क्या बात है. That looks like a 5-star hotel, Manas. Super job. And I'm seeing so many wonderful things and all the parents and also dadis are also here. I see, huh? Some dadis and nanis and more family members. That is awesome job, all of you. All of you kids, clap for yourself. I wish that I could come to each one of your restaurants today because इतना yummy दिख रहा है खाना और इतने सारे drinks क्या-क्या बनाया है. Wow. और सौमित्र के तो घर में बाहर गार्डन व्यू भी है ना सौमित्र? The restaurant is outdoors.
With a garden view.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Garden view.
So nice, so lovely.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wow, Ishan, आपका menu card looks amazing. And
no, that's a bill. That's a bill with 20% discount for the favorite customer. So he has also done that.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. And सुबीर का टेबल भी बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से सेटअप हुआ है. और किसका देख सकते हैं हम? ओमकार तो बिल्कुल शेफ लग रहा है ना, with that big chef hat. ओमकार, I can't wait to come to your cafe.
अच्छा.
और अविनाश ने भी बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, there you go. क्या बात है.
Aishwarya did the decoration.
So wonderful, Avinash. Great job.
Good with singing and playing Casio. He wants to play a song. Can he?
Oh. Yes, for sure.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
And ma'am, Aishwarya has also decorated her cafe with balloons and all.
With balloons also, Aishwarya. Kya baat hai? Such a happy restaurant you have and so many dishes. Yes, I see Ishan. I see yours as well. It's lovely.
Ishan's kitchen.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
Beautiful. So now, chalo, let's have Akshat's Cassian song. He's going to entertain all.
मुझको इरादे दे, कसमें दे वादे दे, मेरी दुआओं के इशारों को सहारे दे, दिल को ठिकाने दे, नाए बहाने दे, ख्वाबों की बारिशों को मौसम के पैमाने दे, अपने करम की तराना है, कर दे इधर भी तू निगाहें, मेरा वो है ना, रो रहा हूँ मैं, सुन रहा हूँ तू, रो रहा हूँ मैं, सुन रहा हूँ.
Beautiful, beautiful, Akshat.
Wow, wonderful, Akshat. Super, super singing. बहुत बढ़िया.
Yes,
आज फर्स्ट टाइम ही सुना. कितना अच्छा गाता है. I mean, हमने तो उस दिन भी नहीं, म्यूजिकल डे में भी नहीं सुना. Wow.
Yes, he was not there for musical day. I remember because but I know that Akshat has got a beautiful voice.
Harshali, this group is full of talent, huh?
Yes, yes.
सारे ही बच्चे बिल्कुल talented हैं यहाँ पे.
Yes.
Dance and songs and everything.
And cooking. And
cooking is best.
Huh?
Even decoration and creativity is like excellent.
So Manas made some money today, is it? कुछ कमाया Manas ने आज?
560 rupees कमाए.
Oh, wow! क्या बात है, क्या बात है, super job.
टीचर बता, टीचर को 500 बता, मैंने 500 कमाए.
Wow, Suraj has Suyash got 500.
Show us, Suyash. Show us. Suyash, we want to see.
Okay. Yes, Suyash, quickly show us. Now he is busy with the customer.
As he should be.
Very nice. Yes, Aishwarya. Yes, even Akshat
and Papa.
Oh, how nice! How nice! Very nice. Very nice.
I must tell you, ma'am, all our kids are so full of energy and confidence. Everyone had more than one customer at the same time, and they were serving them, they were keeping them entertained, and one after the another the dish were coming on their table. And I can see a lot of tables also already clean. And Akshat got a tip. Akshat almost got a tip of 250 or 300 rupees from his brother.
क्या बात है? Yeah. I'm amazing, and I'm seeing all the kids are showing us money. We see all of you, okay? हम सिर्फ सबको बोल नहीं रहे हैं, but हमें दिख रहा है. All of you are showing all your earnings, which is very good. You should be proud. Congratulations. Well done. Well done.
Yes. Very nice. Very nice.
For the camp, Harshali ma'am, Akansha ma'am. We're so proud of you. We parents really thank you. Hello. Lovely.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I think we are all very proud of you as a parent, all of you parents, because you are doing so much work with so much of dedication with all the kids. I see all the messages every day, how you're sharing with so much pride, so hats off to all of you, each one of you. And today's session looks incredible. I am so sad that I missed it. I wish I was part of it, but I just had to come and say hello to all of you. It's so, so wonderful.
I can't tell, looking at the parents and looking at the kids, I can't tell throughout the session, my lips and my mouth have been like this. So now it's paining. That much I am proud of the kids and the parents as well. And also the customers. So ma'am, the customers were so, I can say, thoughtful, and moreover they were so patient with the kids. They were there throughout the session for complete 1 hour. They are sitting with the kids and they were there motivating them. So it's really nice to see all of that. So yes,
it's a great teamwork, I must say. It looks like a good teamwork, है ना?
And I can understand how much efforts this goes with one session. I mean, behind efforts, I know कि कितना parents को भी we have to prepare our kids for the session and then prepare all the material and everything with kids wish. So I can understand that thing. And time पे कोई menu change होता है तो parents को भागना पड़ता है, उसका मुंह संभालना पड़ता है.
Yes.
I can understand कि how much efforts all you are putting in, including kids, of course. But I am really appreciate everything. I mean, you are doing it a great job because our kids are going to learn from this a lot. क्योंकि मानस का मैंने जो एग्जाम्पल लेती हूँ, जो आजकल उसको भूख लगती है तो वो अपने आप बिस्किट को क्रश करके इसमें
wonderful. Good job, Manas.
Even when I am busy with webinars, he can take अपना सैंडविच बना के खा लेता है. So I'm so
super.
Okay, I can do some sneaker work and my kid can have his own meal. At least कुछ तो खाएगा, भूखा नहीं रहेगा.
That is super, super. Thank you for sharing that, Harshali. And high five to you, Manas. High five. Wonderful job. Wonderful job. Yeah, I think to all of you parents, again, hats off to you for being so engaged and so diligent with everything that we've been asking you to do every different day, different activities, different materials, being prepared, like Harshali said rightly, with your children, with their moods, whatever issues you may have had, but you've come every day, and that is what makes it a successful camp. I hope that you'll continue to give them chances to practice this over time, you know, even after the camp is finished. Keep their motivations high by continuing to do little things like this, especially like these kind of role play. I think children really enjoy this, as we can see. So wonderfully done, wonderfully done. Great.
Ma'am, I have a request. We can have something to communicate with each other. Like the age group is different. Some are big and some are small. But we can have a conversation day also, where they can, because they have a good period of time with each other. So maybe they want to say something to express themselves. It can be done later on. For one day, they can communicate.
Sure, I think that's a great idea. Yeah,
definitely.
Definitely.
We can say friendship day. So
Yeah.
they just make friends with each other, they interact with each other, and they talk
They
and
can
build
sing,
teams.
they can dance, they can do whatever they want. I think that's a
Yes.
great idea. We'll work on it. We'll work on it for sure.
Definitely.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Nice. So any kind of feedbacks, any kind of suggestions are most welcome before we go ahead with it. So yes, any parent who wants to come ahead, say a few words, share something interesting with us before we conclude.
Yes, ma'am. I think it's amazing to see Amitoj grow, and I don't know how, but he's connected beautifully to Akanksha, ma'am. He looks forward to these evening 5 p.m. classes. He has his school till 2, so बहुत कम time बीच में मिलता है. And at 4, you know, his biological clock starts. We have to be ready. मुझे ready होना है. मुझे laptop चाहिए. मुझे करो. मुझे तैयार करो. And today, I mean, it was overwhelming to see his preparations today.
Yeah.
Really, he was ready since 2:30. He started. I have to do this. I have to set up the table. I have to lay the chairs. I have to lay the mat. And keep the things ready, and by the end of it, he was tired. He sat and he started eating. वही आकांक्षा मैम देख रहे थे कि जैसे ही सब सर्व कर दिया, सब हो गया, bill दे दिया, and then he sat and started eating. It is really, I mean, I don't have words. It is a commendable job you all are doing, ma'am. It's और इन बच्चों के लिए स्पेशली जिनको you know कहीं कोई social है नहीं, कुछ मिलता नहीं है, that need that is there. It's heartening to see all this. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lots of love to Amitoj.
A big clap for all.
Clap for all. Hey.
Thank you. A big clap. Akshit,
क्लैप करो सबके लिए.
Yes, सबके लिए. The parents, the kids, Harshali ma'am, Shivani ma'am, everyone. And pat yourself. What I have taught you. Yes, I can see Amitoj patting his back. Pat yourself. You have done a great job.
ऐसे करो. हाँ, ऐसे.
Yes, you do a great job always. So अगर किसी ने भी आपके लिए क्लैप नहीं किया या फिर आपको ऐसे लगता है कि मैंने तो इतना अच्छा काम किया but no one appreciated me, so you should always pat your back because you will appreciate yourself and you will keep yourself happy. So if no one appreciates you, no one says anything to you, but we still have to be happy and motivated. So pat. Yes, very nice. Okay, great. All right. Anyone else?
Ma'am, myself Yugandhara.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
This is the first camp we have attended with Soumitra, and it was great. 10 days कैसे गुजर गए समझ में ही नहीं आया. It was new. Everything was new. Everything was nice, and everything was awesome.
How
Thank you,
wonderful to hear that. Wow, thank you for sharing that. I think
Today Soumitra cut literally bowl full of vegetables.
Wow.
Just आधा इंच का उसने कट किया है सब.
क्या बात है.
कट किया. He knows everything. ओरियो का बिस्किट से वो क्रीम कैसे निकालने का, वो मिक्सर में कैसे ये करने का, वो कटिंग कैसे करने का, ऊपर से सीजनिंग कैसे डालने का.
Very nice.
बच्चों को बहुत समझ में आने लगा है कि क्या क्या है. What is the next? What is next?
Very good. Very good.
ये आइडिया भी उसका ही था. गार्डन में बाहर बैठते हैं करके.
अच्छा.
एक्चुअली हम दोनों ही थे इधर. There were no guests. तो उसने बोला, खुद ने बोला दादी को लेके आओ, अज्जी को लेके आओ. उन्होंने कुछ खाया नहीं. She only drank that mojito drink which we gave her with water. हम लोगों ने पर उन्होंने कुछ खाया नहीं. पर she was sitting here for half an hour. She was over here. अभी वो अंदर गई है क्योंकि अगर मच्छर वगैरह काटेगा तो अलग से कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना हो इसके लिए.
I have to say that आपका जो garden view restaurant है मुझे बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगा. As soon as I finished my training, that is the first picture I saw. It's such a happy place, such a happy picture. It was wonderful to see his grandmother in the picture as well. Very nice.
It's the half thing only.
Okay, okay.
Beautiful.
ये सौमित्र भी करता है मुझे गार्डन करने के लिए.
Very nice.
पूरा
Very nice.
करते हैं.
Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for sharing.
Thank
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes. So I myself, I'm actually very overwhelmed right now, and I myself feel as a parent. Since day one, I have seen Akshat, I have seen Amitoj, I have seen Manas, I have seen Aishwarya, Ishan, Arjun, Pooja. I know everyone's name by heart now. I don't even have to see at their screen to identify or recognize them. So this is what I feel has happened over 10 days. And today I was just sitting here. I was looking at all the kids and I felt so good. I was... to a certain extent, I was proud of myself, but more than that, I was 100% proud of the kids that they have done such a wonderful job. Many a time it happens that जो हम deliver करना चाहते हैं, whatever I want to teach or whatever I want to explain, because of this online thing, because of this screening and all, I feel that I might not be able to deliver that much. But when the final day comes and that is the way it is all, getting presented, and this is going to be the final product. So I feel that everyone is doing a great job throughout, and I would really like to be their parents throughout. So please make sure that you share with me their success, even if we do the camps, we don't do the camps with them, anything like that, but do personally stay connected and let me know what the kids are doing, how successful they are becoming. And yes, so as I said in the start, so this is not the stop. We are back with another camp, which is starting from Monday. And I really request Harshali ma'am or Shivani ma'am to go ahead and talk about it.
Sure. Harshali, would you like me to or would you like to?
Yeah, you can. It's the same thing actually.
Harshali, myself and Akanksha are super thrilled that we have been planning another camp behind the scenes while this was going on. So our next camp is starting actually from Monday, and it is for children 10 plus years of age. And it is actually a camp focused on pre-vocational skills. So what we have done so far is we have done one camp called Move and Learn, which was based on movement. I think some of you may have been part of it. Then we did a creative camp. We did a life skills camp, which we are concluding today. So our next step is pre-vocational skills. And in that particular 10-day camp, we are going to focus on computer skills. So most of the children, I think, are going to love it. I feel it will also be a mixed age group, but 10 plus rakh rahe hum log. So Akanksha is going to be our teacher for that camp as well. So you will be able to, all the kids, I want you all to come back, join. And the way I have designed and set up the camp, and Akanksha is going to teach all of you, is key skills. For example, in MS Office, so we are going to teach them Word, we are going to teach them PowerPoint, we are going to teach them Excel. So we're going to teach them basics, obviously, but give them enough information for them to start to practice on their own. And then we are going to also teach them some Google search, internet searching. And what was the third one, Akanksha?
Ma'am, typing.
Typing. So keyword matlab typing, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, internet. So the way the camp is, we have set up this time is going to be alternate days. So it won't be 10 days in a row. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday for 2 weeks. The reason we are giving 1 day break is that at the end of each session, Akanksha will give children some homework because they have to now practice, right? So if it is Word, she'll give them some assignment. You'll have to ensure that they do that practice and come back the following day. In case there is anything like a review needed, we will work on that. But that is how we have set up. And Harshali and I are very, very excited to
yes.
welcome,
Because I wanted
to all of you. Yes.
To do this, I mean, pre-vocational, because many parents are asking me that, okay, creative camp and all are very nice, but for a little bit of older kids, what we can do. So that's why we thought that we will start with computer skill. Remember, we are planning more pre-vocational activities after this. I mean, this is going to be a good process that kids should be. I mean, we should find out what interests our kids. Maybe computers and maybe other things also. So we will come up with. We will do exactly.
Yeah, so we have many more camps in our minds that we are working on. So don't worry. As soon as we finish one camp, we'll come up with the next one with just different focuses. Okay, so next is computers. Please, today we'll share the flyer, information, everything. But I hope to see each one of you back at that camp. I think it will be a very beneficial learning camp for sure. And of course, if you have any questions, you can let either one of us know, me, Harshali or Akanksha, or post on the group. Ma'am,
you are on Instagram also. SNCC is on Instagram.
Yes. Both of the organizations are. Yes.
Both.
Okay.
Yes,
I will be sharing. Yes, I will be sharing on group the websites for both the foundations, the website, the Facebook page, Instagram page, YouTube page, everything will be shared. So you can just check out, because there are a lot of things we are doing beyond these camps and a lot of collaborations as well. So yes, so before we conclude, I really want you all, everyone who was there behind the screen to come on screen, and we are going to have a photograph, virtual.
One more announcement from my
Yes.
This is for the older kids, and for younger kids, do not get disheartened. We are going to start another fun and fun camp. 5+. So I've already floated the poster for that. That is going to be alternate from 20th. So don't worry, computer camp and this fun and learn will be alternate days. So we will manage both the camps together. So बड़े बच्चे भी खुश और छोटे बच्चे भी खुश.
Yes.
कुछ ना कुछ है हमारे पास.
Yes, we are not going to let the kids nor the parents sit idle and anything like that. So yes, so quickly come on screen so that yes.
Lot of the kids are not yet on video. Come on, we want everybody to turn on their videos.
Yes,
right
everyone
now.
quickly switch on your videos. Vyoma, you can switch it on too.
And yes, please be with your entire family, whoever was there today with you for the session. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
So good to see. So Aishwarya has got 2 twins today.
Sweet.
Okay. So yes, smile. I will quickly count till 3. Yes, I will count till 3 and then I will click. Okay. So 1, 2, and yes. Okay. So 1. Sir, Manas, please call your dad. Yeah, I can see. No, Ritvik is here. Ritvik can also come.
Ritvik join us.
Come. Yeah.
No, he will not.
He will not. Okay. Chalo. So 1, 2, and 3. Great. Great job, all of you. Enjoy your meal and have a great weekend.
Bye, kiddos. Bye, parents. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, Shan. Bye, Aishwarya.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye, all of you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.